My name is Lucas and this is my design matrix. So starting out, I have this brown cement bench that I saw at a park. I gave it a 1 for comfort because it's super bare minimum. Everything about it kind of seemed like it was just super plain, just a bench. The cost was a 2. The environmental impact I gave an 8, and the sustainability I gave a 10 because it is made of cement, and cement is more long lasting material. Safety I put at a 5 just because it's really, there's nothing much to it. Social impact a 2, doesn't really have much to it. Function 5, it definitely just serves its purpose. And aesthetics I give a 1 because there's really no crazy design there. Boat seating I gave a 6. This boat is kind of like half a boat cut in half, and then there's a seating area within the middle of it. I gave it a 6 because it definitely is comfortable, but it also is more, I feel, gauged towards aesthetics, which I gave a 10, as well as the cost because you can tell there's a lot of work that was put into this. Environmental impact and sustainability, I gave a 4 and a 5 because it's made out of wood, so it obviously tarnishes a lot easier and faster. Safety an 8, it was a little bit rigid and kind of definitely could give you some splinters. Social impact 9, function 6. So the next is this block bench, which is basically just a large cement block. I gave it a comfort 3, it doesn't really even have a backing. Cost a 5. Environmental impact and sustainability, again, I gave it an 8 and a 10 because it is mostly all made out of cement, which again is very long lasting. Safety 5, not much to it. Social impact 4, function 6, and aesthetic 6. Again, it is definitely more aesthetic than the first cement bench, but there's also just not much there. Next is this metal bench, like kind of something you'd see at a park. Comfort, I gave an 8 because of the backing. Cost 4. Environmental impact, I gave a 5 because it is made out of metal and not something like concrete, as well as sustainability. Safety 10, it was probably the safest of all of the benches that I saw. Social impact 7, it is definitely feels like a more like sociable place to sit, meet people. And aesthetic 6, it definitely went with the surroundings. And then lastly, I have the cement bench, which is, I gave a comfort of 4, because it doesn't really have the backing as well, but you can tell because I gave it the aesthetics an 8, there's definitely much more of a thought process with this one. The designs are much slicker, and they kind of flow. It definitely feels a little bit more artsy. So aesthetics at an 8, function 6, social impact 5, sustainability and environmental impact also high because of it being made out of cement. And lastly, safety 5. It kind of just all, again, like fit right in with the surroundings. It worked really well.